From a small island in Portugal to becoming one of the greatest footballers in history, Cristiano Ronaldo's journey nothing short of extraordinary. But what truly makes this global icon tick? Let's dive into the life of a man whose name has become synonymous with greatness. Ronaldo was born on February 5, 1985, on the island of Madeira, Portugal. From a young age, his passion for football was evident. At just 12 years old, Ronaldo left his family and hometown to join Sporting CPS Youth Academy in Lisbon. This decision would set on a path to stardom. Ronaldo's talent quickly caught on the eye of European club in 2003. At the age of 18, he signed with Manchester United, where he would go on to win 3 Premier titles, a Champions League trophy and his first Ballon d'Or. His remarkable speed, agility and goal-scoring ability made him a fan favorite and a nightmare for defenders. In 2009, Ronaldo made a then world record transfer at Real Madrid for €94 million. His time at Madrid was nothing short of legendary. Over 9 seasons, he scored 450 goals in 438 appearances, won 4 Champions League titles, and added 4 more Ballon d'Ors to his collection. Ronaldo became Real Madrid's all-time leading scorer, cementing his place as one of the greatest players of the ever graced the game. In 2018, Ronaldo moved to Juventus, continuing to break records and add to his already impressive trophy cabinet. In 2021, he made to sensational return to Manchester United, and in 2023 he ventured to Saudi Arabia to play for Al Nassr, further expanding his global influence. Ronaldo's lifestyle reflects his status as one of the world's most famous athletes, known for his disciplined approach for fitness. Ronaldo's daily routine includes intense workouts, strict dietary plans and ample rest to maintain his peak physical condition. His commitment to health is evident in his incredible physique. Even in his late 30s, Ronaldo lives in luxury with home in several countries, including a sprawling mansion in Madrid and a luxurious apartment in Lisbon. He is also known for his love for cars, with a collection that includes Ferraris, Lamborghinis and a Bugatti. Family plays a significant role in Ronaldo's life. He is a proud father of 5 children, whom he often shares glimpses on social media. Despite his busy schedule, Ronaldo prioritizes spending time with his family and is often seen enjoying vacations with them. Cristiano Ronaldo's life is a blend of relentless ambition, unparalleled success, and a deep love for family and football. As he continues to break barriers and set records, one thing is clear: the legend of CR7 is far from over. Stay tuned for more on the man who has truly refined the beautiful game. So this is short biography of Cristiano Ronaldo. If you like this video, like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.